Alright guys, thank you all for staying tuned to my channel. Today we're having a conversation on the different uses of VLOOKUP, lookup, looking at the best time to apply which, by the way, VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. So it is mostly used when you want to look up for a value, you want to search for a value at the leftmost column. You use XLOOKUP when you want to search for a value either in a column or in a row. So XLOOKUP actually stands for extended lookup. So it offers additional features like approximate matching, error, and the which you need to as well. So we also have HLOOKUP, which stands for horizontal lookup. It's used to search for the value in the top row and for the corresponding value. Now let's examine this example in order to illustrate our thoughts. So now, what's actually happening here? This data set, the first, by the way, I need to mention that the first rule or the first principle that you should apply when running any formula or when working on any data set is to understand the data set. What is going on here? We have the employee name, we have the subjects, right? We have maths, we have sciences, and then we have English. Now, just for the sake of the example, we have let's change the productivity. Let's change these headers to productivity. Let's call this sales, right? Let's call this production, right? Let's call this referrals. So let's put this in a better context, right? So in this context now, the company has a list of employees with their name, right? So and you want to use the VLOOKUP function to search for the employee name and return the value of the employee sales, or the employee's production, or the employee's referrals. Let's try that. So we have VLOOKUP, right? So you start by searching for the employee name and actually highlight all of this, right? Since the column A represents the employee name, apply and highlight all of it, right? Then comma. We have here do you want to look up what you can see here we speak to table array. So what's the table array? What table are you looking up? You're looking up from cell A2 down to D11, right? So then comma. So which return value do you want? Which column do you want it to return? Do you want it to search? You already said it's going to search from column A, right? So what should you return? Should you return the value in column A, or you want in column B, or you want in column C? So let's say we want it to return the value in column C. So it's 3, right? Since that's the third column, then we come here and look for what is written again. We have range lookup, right? So you can see this drop down. It says, do you want an approximate match or an exact match? So you type false for exact match. So they click on this. You can see what just happened. It returns 90. So what this means is it looked up for Joe, right? Which is in cell A2, and then it's looked up for it in this range, and it's returned the corresponding value, which is 90, which is in columns. So imagine we come here and we change this 3 to 2. Means that we expect for it to give us 85, right? Let's try that out. Can we see? So if you drag this down to give you all the values in column B as it corresponds to column A. So I hope this is clear. Do well to stay tuned to this channel for more insights like this. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button. So stay tuned for the conversation with XLOOKUP and HLOOKUP also.